Hey guys, welcome to the 25th episode of Logo Street Gang. Today we're talking about NHL 2003 and Ocean Breeze Waterpark. Ocean Breeze Waterpark was sponsored by Chicken Run, a Barnyard Family 2006 show. First we're to NHL 2003. 2002, there's a white chip with gray outline inside of it. There's the EA Sports logo, and below there's word NHL 2003 in black text. And right now we're going to take a look at Ocean Breeze Waterpark. In 1984 and 1989, here had the first two names of Ocean Breeze Waterpark, Jungle Falls and Wild Water Rapids. Unfortunately, there's no logos for them. In 1989 to the 1990s, there's red and yellow squiggly lines, and below there's where Ocean Breeze Festival Park and teal and white text. In 1990s to 2011, there's purple and yellow shape, and below there's where Ocean Breeze Waterpark, where that moves you in mint green, blue, and purple text. 2011 to the present, there's a palm tree, and below the side there's word ocean and teal text, and below there's a blue shape, and on it there's word breeze, and white text, and below there's word water park and orange text. Alright, that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching this episode of Logo History Gang, and don't forget to request a logo for the next episode. Bye for now.